In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Canva Please Unblock Challenges error. The first thing you want to do is disable ad blockers, privacy extensions, or VPN services as they can block Cloudflare's security verification. To do this, you want to click on this extension icon. Now click on Manage Extensions. Then go ahead and toggle on any VPN or ad blocker extensions. Once that is done, refresh Canva and check if the error is gone. If not, you want to clear your browser's cache and cookies. For that, click on the three dots. From here, click on the option of Delete Browsing Data. Select All Time and make sure you check all of these boxes. Then click on the Delete Data option. Now check if your problem has been resolved. If not, then you want to try opening Canva in a different browser. If you're using Google Chrome, you want to open Microsoft Edge and then check if your problem is fixed. You also want to restart your router or switch to a different internet connection since some networks may interfere with Cloudflare's security checks. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.